Welcome to Pet Diva with Dr. Dobson, and today we're going to discuss oral hygiene care, which is a very important aspect of our pets that's many times missed by the owners, and of course the pet suffers the consequences from it. One of the things that we want to talk about is how to identify a normal mouth. And just like in humans, the pet has incisors and canines and premolars and molars. The gums should also be nice and pink and clean, and when touched, not bleed. Tartar, just like in humans, can be visualized as white tartar or yellow tartar. So one of the things that starts to happen, and this model can clearly show it, is as with age and with dental wear, we can have broken teeth, we can have excessive tartar, we can have excessive gingivitis, which is your periodontal diseases that you find in people, and of course you have severe plaque leading to gum loss, recession, loosening of the roots of the teeth, and of course the teeth then are not able to stay in the jaw, and we have tooth loss or tooth decay. And this is a nice sample of what you've got, where you've got a normal healthy arcade and then one that has lifting of the gum tissue, excessive bleeding of the gum tissue, and tartar. So the question that I get asked all the time is, Dr. Dobson, how do you properly brush the teeth of my pet? Just like in humans, and this is just a toothbrush just to kind of exemplify, just like in humans, what you want is you want it to be at the angle between the root of the tooth, where it would be, and the gum line. So at the gum line. So as you're brushing, you also want a circular motion on that tooth, and you want to do small circular motions all the way down on the entirety of the tooth. We don't really have to worry so much about flossing, of course, but what you do want is you do want to also do the inside of the arcades, both bottoms and tops. Now, one of the things that I've asked is, how is our detergent different than toothpaste for pets? Our detergent, our toothpaste has detergents in it, where the animals don't. So if they were to swallow this, they would have problems with vomiting or nausea, where in these cases, these have actually meat flavors or chicken flavor, and it's very, very acceptable by our pets. So what we want to do is a small amount of the toothpaste on the brush, and then the brushing. How often? Daily. Let's move on to some other tools that we have here. Cats, it's very hard to brush cats' teeth, and some small dogs, so that's where we get the finger brush. And the finger brush is just a vinyl plastic, off-on, very washable, and it's got little small projections on it that, again, you would want to do a circular motion along the arcade of the tooth. One of the things that we as veterinarians have to our advantage is several products to help us. First, toothbrushes come in different sizes, where you have a small head on the toothbrush that's for kitty cats, or you also have a longer head on there. And so one of the things that you'll want to do is to be able to do either sizes for those. And then of course we mentioned the finger brush. We also have a flush, kind of like a wash for ourselves, and this has an activated ingredient that once added and mixed, you can actually do rinsing along the tooth and the mouth to try to decrease tartar. We also have a wonderful product called Oravet, which is a sealant in which you can have it done professionally at the time of your dental cleaning for your pet, and then you can also have a kit that goes home that you can maintain. There are several other products. I'll mention a couple more. Hills, the prescription company for veterinarians, has come out with the TD diet, both for felines and for canines. And what they do, the technology is, as they bite on the kibble, it does not crumble. So it has a massaging effect, so that would decrease the plaque accumulation on our teeth. And that, in a nutshell, is our Dentistry 101.